snow is so soft. This is Vince's snowman. That's one. Hi, Vincent.
Hi, Susanna.
There's two. That's another one. And one more. This one. Three. Three snowman. As long as three snow piles or snowballs are stacked together, he thinks those are snowmen. So these are three little snow chunks stacked together to make snowmans. Where's your snowman? Ready to go back home?
No.
Yeah, we'll go home?
Tree.
Tree. Yeah, that's a tree. That's his footprints. Where did he go?
No.
Look. Look. 我周末的老上床啊。